Remember this note that we found on the wall? Bro, it's mouldy. Oh no, malo. Written in... Well, my girlfriend works with someone who is Tongan, and I took a photo of the letter, sent it through, and they read it, and it's a 21st letter. It's a 21st speech. So whoever wrote it was having their 21st, and in the letter he thanks his relatives for raising him and thanks everybody for... It's a really nice letter. We've spent a bit of time this morning packing the walls, planing the walls, making sure the walls are straight for the plasterboard. And now we're going to put in one sheet that goes a horizontal all the way across. Okay, so this room's next. We've finished plastering this room here, wall done, and this wall done. So here are the doors that we're going to put in. They go all around the house, including here. We're going to change the way this door's hung. For some reason they hung it right into the middle of the room. So, you know, usually when you hang a door you try and make it open to the nearest wall. You got that wedge handy?
Wedge?
Yeah, the pumpy pump.
It was a game changer.
It's great, eh? So good.
I love it.
This wedge here that I was using to hang the door, that is now beautifully hung. There we go. Just got to do all the stuff around the outside of it. This wedge, easy air wedge. There you go. If you remember Gaston, the guy I bought all my hand saws from, he gave me this for free.
Can you be loud, bro?
Sweet, bro. Okay, so hung both the doors, and now I'm going to use this little router here to router out the latch plate. These doors are like they're sort of like polystyrene filled, so that's meant to be a sort of a more affordable alternative to a solid core door. You still get some of that soundproofing, but it's not as much, and it doesn't weigh as much as well. And there you have it, guys. The router does a lot of the work, and then you just get your chisel in there and you just tidy up the corners. There you go, guys, another one routed. And then you just pop this on there like that, click it in. Mate, don't even need to put a screw in there, okay? I am going to put a screw in there. We're not actually fitting everything properly because we want the painters to have a free run. Another job done, mate. Alright, so we are going to leave now. This is it until the painters finish getting their plaster on. And then all these doors are being replaced. And we're going to build some wardrobes. And voila, is right. It's as easy as that.